Question number 1. Being overweight can affect the health and life expectancy of a person. 1.1 is an AO2 question, and this question is from health issues and the effect of lifestyle on non-communicable diseases. Question is, what is the one lifestyle change a person could make to help them lose body mass? There are three options are given. One is drinking more alcohol, stop smoking, eat less fatty food. We have to pick one of the option. It must be related to lose body mass. Among these one, smoking is related to the heart and the lungs. Alcohol is related to liver and the heart. Eat less fatty food is the way the body can lose the mass. So the correct option is eat less fatty food. 1.2 is an AO2 question, and this question is from coronary heart disease and the effect of lifestyle on non-communicable diseases. Question is, exercise has many health benefits. Give two health benefits of regular exercise. Do not refer to losing the body mass in your answer. So the question is about exercise. Regular exercise makes our muscle stronger. It also reduces the risk of cardiovascular diseases such as the heart attack. Let's see the model answer. The model answer is regular exercise makes muscles stronger. Regular exercise reduces the risk of cardiovascular diseases such as heart attack. During exercise, breathing rate increases to provide more oxygen for aerobic respiration. 1.3 is the Neo 1 question, and this question is from the human digestive system. What is the equation for aerobic respiration? The aerobic respiration need glucose and oxygen, and it produces carbon dioxide and water. If you look here, we have the glucose, we have oxygen, and it produces carbon dioxide and water. So the correct option is this equation. One point four is an AO2 question. Figure number 1 shows the human breathing system. The lungs are shown, and this question is from the heart and blood vessels. A is trachea, B is bronchus, C is alveoli, and D is diaphragm. The question is, where does gas exchange take place? A, B, C, and D. Alveoli is the only place where the gas exchange will happen. So the correct option is C. A scientist investigated the effect of exercise on breathing rate of 4 people. This is the method used. Measure the resting breathing rate. Exercise for 10 minutes. Measure the breathing rate as soon as the exercise stops. Number 4. Record the time taken for the breathing rate to return to the resting rate or getting normal. Table number 1 shows the results. Person A, B, C, and D. The breathing rate at rest is given here, which is 12 breaths per minute. The breathing rate after exercise in breaths per minute is given here. Increase in breathing rate, the difference is given, which is here. Time taken to get normal is given here. 1.5 is an AO3 question. The scientist concluded that the person B was the fittest person. This question is from the heart and blood vessels and response to exercise. If you look here in the table number 1, the person B has breathing rate of 10 breaths per minute. After exercise, it is 28 breaths per minute, and the difference is 18 breaths per minute, which is actually increase in breathing rate. So the person B took 4 minutes to return back to its normal breathing rate. The model answer is person B took 4 minutes from breathing rate to return to normal or resting rate, which is given here. Person B has the lowest increase in breathing rate, that is 18 breaths per minute, which is given here. 1.6 is an AO3 question. Suggests 2 reasons why the scientist's conclusion may not be valid. This question is from response to exercise. We need to give 2 reasons to conclude that the scientist's conclusion may not be valid. The first conclusion may be the person B didn't do intense exercise as the other people were doing, which are shown in the data in table number 1. Or the other people were doing different type of exercises as compared to person B. The second reason can be that different people have different masses or age or sex, which is not mentioned in table number 1. Also, the measurement is made for once only and it is done for 10 minutes. These are the 2 reasons that we can say the scientist's conclusion may not be valid. Let's see the model answer. The model answer says person B didn't do intense exercise as other people or other persons had done, or the person B was doing different exercise as compared to person number A, person number C, and person number D. Different people in the data have different masses or the age or the sex, and this information is not given in the table number 1. Note that the measurement is made for once only and it is done for 10 minutes. This is an extra information which the student can include in the answer. 1.7 is an AO1 question, and this question is again from the same topic, response to exercise. Give 2 changes that happen in the body during aerobic respiration. The key information is aerobic respiration. The student must know about the aerobic respiration. In the respiration process, the person will take oxygen and the oxygen combines with the glucose to produce carbon dioxide, water, and energy. 1.7 is give 2 changes that happen in the body during aerobic respiration or aerobic exercise. Do not refer to increased breathing rate in your answer. So, during aerobic exercise, the person will take in more oxygen, deeper breathing will happen. As a result, there is an increase in heart rate. So, the blood flow is getting faster in the body, and body needs to burn more glucose to produce energy. Let's see the model answer. The model answer is In aerobic exercise, the person will take in more oxygen, means deeper breathing will happen. It means the blood flow gets faster in the body, which increases the heart rate. As a result of that, more oxygen will flow in the body, which combines with the glucose to produce carbon dioxide, water, and energy. 1.8 is an AO1 question, which is from aerobic and anaerobic respiration. The student must know the difference between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Aerobic means the respiration process will happen in the presence of oxygen, and anaerobic respiration means the respiration process will happen without the presence of oxygen. Muscle respire anaerobically during vigorous exercise. It means there is shortage of oxygen in the body. Complete the sentences. Choose answers from the box. Muscles respire anaerobically if they do not have enough oxygen. Aerobic respiration of the glucose produces lactic acid in the body. We use the equation for anaerobic respiration in which the glucose changes into the lactic acid during vigorous exercise to produce energy.